Hello, friends. Be it money, career, purpose, or relationships, you can always think and grow rich, be successful. Over the centuries, many legends have achieved their super success by achieving the principles of think and grow rich. They created a state of mind that manifested their desires into reality. Your subconscious mind registers and eventually controls everything happening in your life. If you can harness the power of your subconscious mind by programming it in favor of your desires, you can achieve anything. You may do so by applying these 5 keys. 1. Extreme clarity of goals. You must know precisely how much you want and exactly when do you want it. 2. The power of auto suggestions. You must have complete faith in your goals and you will have whatever you desire. 3. The power of emotions. Emotions have magnetic powers. You must develop strong emotional connection with the purpose. 4. Continuous visualization of your achievement as if it's already happening will manifest it in your life. 5. Persistence. Achievement respond only to definite plans backed by definite desires through constant persistence. Your thoughts become things. When these thoughts are mixed with definiteness of purpose, persistence, and a burning desire for their translation into riches or other aspirations, they materialize into your life. Just wishing will not bring riches, but desiring riches with a state of mind that becomes an obsession and then planning definite ways and backing those plans with persistence that does not recognize failure will bring riches. The path is never easy. Opportunity has a sly habit of slipping in by the back door, often disguised in the form of misfortune or a temporary defeat, which is why so many fail to recognize the opportunity. But the champions never stop. They understand that every defeat is preparing them for handling bigger success. Just think and grow rich. Friends, do click like, subscribe and share on this channel, and also press the bell icon and follow me. Good luck, friends. Think and grow rich and be super successful.